Alright, another day, another vlog. I have the external mic connected to my Insta360, fitted right at the opening of my visor on the full face helmet. Now, I don't know how good the setup is and how much of a wind noise it catches. So let's see. I'll be taking a little bit of a longer route than usual so that we get some footage, and we'll see how it goes from there. I have my phone mounted in the crack of the windscreen that allows me to use it as a phone holder. So here we are, going through some tree covered roads that will eventually take us to those wide roads of Bangalore, which lack any kind of shadow whatsoever. So let's take a right from here, and here we go. Alright, doing the speeds of about 40 kilometers per hour. Can feel quite a bit of wind, but I'm not sure how much of it is getting caught by the mic. Okay. All right. If this doesn't work, then I will have to find an alternator, and I think I have one. I have a kind of nylon strap that can attach to the face, the front side of the helmet, and I can have the mic inside the helmet, protecting it from the wind, so that we have a better quality of voice. But if this works fine, I guess I would still try that to see what's the kind of improvement we get if I'm keeping the mic hidden inside the helmet. Beautiful tree-lined roads. If all the city was like this, it would have been heaven. The last video I posted, it was exported at 25 bitrate, and it was very grainy. So today's recording I will use the maximum setting of 200 and see how the quality is. Here's a coconut grove on my left, and there's something to do with the agriculture department on my right, so huge grounds. There comes the Hebala bridge. I have to go under it and take a right. Hey boss. I'm not sure if the mic is picking up the sound of the bike, but yeah, the F250 Pulsar has a good soundtrack to it. When you're pushing it hard, a bit of a gruffy kind of note. I've been riding this bike for almost 3 months now. Yeah, it's more than 3 months in fact. And as of now, I've covered about 2,500 kilometers. Done with the first service, 1,000 odd rupees. I typically ride the bike between 2,500 to 5,000 RPM. That is good enough. But we can reach speeds of 70 to 75 on 5th gear at 5,000 RPM. Occasionally when on the highway I do hit the 6,000 RPM mark, but not beyond that. I haven't taken this bike beyond the 6,000 RPM, and I have attained a speedo indicated max speed of 80 or 82 kmph. I'm happy with the performance I've got as of yet with this bike. The engine's good. If you're in the right gear at the right speed, you don't experience any kind of vibration. But even if you are in a higher gear at a lower speed, it still has enough grunt, or rather torque, to accelerate without making any fuss. You don't have that knocking feeling or feeling that the bike is underpowered. That was close. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. Tall one. So here we are. Oh, what's this, baboo? Why would you do that? Alright, we have got all kinds of people on the street, so it's our responsibility to take care of ourselves and drive safely. Watch out for people who may not essentially agree with the rules of the road. Like they say, your safety is in your hands. Yeah. No, let's go through the back roads once again. Uh-oh. These trucks and their number plates is virtually invisible. They never bother to wash that. I should have taken the other way, I guess. Okay, let us see. It is safe to go. Okay, yep, let's go. Go. Okay, here we are.